I'm going to go over how to access the app that you will use to take both the forward exam and to perform some practice tests. So to access the app, it needs to be selected before a student even logs onto their Chromebook. I'm going to go ahead and click here in the lower left-hand corner, Apps, and students will need to select DRC Insight Online Assessments. With the menu of two options, you're going to choose the first of the two. The testing program, select Wisconsin. Then on the dashboard, there are three options. There's a link to take the forward exam itself. There's a link for practice tests, and there are online tutorials. I'm just going to show you some of the online tutorials that might be beneficial to you and your students prior to taking the exam or prior to even performing some of those practice tests. So in this case here, I'm going to select grades 4 through 8 and 10 students. But you'll see that there are video tutorials that will walk you through all of the features that are found on this test, from signing in to how you pause and exit and submit a test, testing basics, testing tools, the ELA short writing task, and text to speech. So I'm going to just take a look at the testing tools one. When you select one of the tutorials, a video will launch. This year on the forward exam, text to speech is available to every student. When going through the tutorials, to mute, if they don't want to listen to the text to speech, to mute it, they can just click on the speaker here so that they can read the directions at their own pace. When they're actually in the test itself, they have the ability on their toolbar to stop it from reading aloud. If they want to hear the text to speech, there's a play button and there's a stop button. And then depending on the test you're in, there will be tools up on the toolbar. So for example, for ELA, you're going to have a strikeout option. You can highlight. When you get into things like the math test, there's a calculator. A scientific calculator. So the tools will vary depending on the assessment they're taking. I can go back to the main menu. Once they're done with those tutorials, all you need to do is click exit.